5 Best Joysticks. The item number 5 is PXN0082 Arcade Joystick Game. Simulation of joystick and buttons from the arcade machine. High abrasion-resistant steel joystick and durable action buttons. Use the joystick as direction stick or D-pad, depends on the type of games. 1 button to switch. Turbo and macro function for more fun. 4 powerful suction pads make the product easy to fix. The item number 4 is Gamesir Arcade Joystick Case Arcylic Material. Brand name Gamesir. Type Joysticks. Color black. Material acrylic. Interface type USB. Compatible brand/model none. Only acrylic panel and case. The joystick, buttons and cables are not including. DIY parts, not assembled. The item number 3 is L1 or 1 PUBG Mobile Joystick Android Phone. Designed for games on mobile phone, and our mobile game triggers are perfectly compatible for shooting games including PUBG, Rules of Survival, Knives Out, Sir, Viver Royale, Critical Ops, etc. The game handle uses ergonomic grip design, making you keep comfortable and not sweat after playing games for a long time, and ease your hand fatigue. The item number 2 is Black Wired Controller 1.8M Double Shock Remote Joystick. Brand name Metal. Type Joysticks. Ergonomic design enables maximum comfort and endless gameplay. Left and right shoulder buttons. High-performance wired gaming now comes in black. Using optimized technology. 4 top-mounted trigger buttons, 2 analog thumbsticks. Dual shock. The item number 1 is Vodul 2 PC's mobile phone game joysticks. Color, black. Material, ABS. Metal induction firing, conductive metal, easy to install. Support FPS, TPS and other STG shooting mobile games. Support shooting games such as shootings at home and abroad. The fixed joysticks is stable and not shifting, and the game is more stable. Check the description below for the link. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.